Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for all of us: our heart health. You might be surprised to learn that our bodies often send us signals when something isn't quite right. So, let's explore 7 signs that your heart may not be in the best shape, along with the symptoms of potential heart problems. First up, let's talk about fatigue. If you find yourself feeling unusually tired, even after a good night's sleep, it could be a sign that your heart isn't pumping blood as effectively as it should. This fatigue can sometimes be accompanied by shortness of breath, especially during activities that used to feel easy. If you notice this, it's worth paying attention to. Next, let's discuss chest discomfort. This doesn't always mean a heart attack, but any persistent pain or pressure in your chest should be taken seriously. It's your body's way of signaling that something might be off. Don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional if you experience this symptom. Another sign to watch for is swelling in your legs, ankles, or feet. This can happen when your heart struggles to pump blood efficiently, leading to fluid buildup. If you notice this, it's a good idea to check in with your doctor. Now, let's talk about heart palpitations. If you feel your heart racing or fluttering unexpectedly, it could be a sign of an underlying issue. While occasional palpitations can be normal, frequent occurrences warrant a closer look. You should also be aware of persistent cough or wheezing. This can occur when fluid builds up in your lungs due to heart problems. If you find yourself coughing more than usual, especially when lying down, it's time to seek medical advice. Another important sign is lightheadedness or dizziness. If you frequently feel faint or unsteady, it could indicate that your heart isn't supplying enough blood to your brain. This is definitely something to discuss with a healthcare provider. Lastly, let's not overlook the impact of stress and anxiety. While these emotions are part of life, chronic stress can take a toll on your heart health. If you're feeling overwhelmed, consider finding healthy ways to manage stress, like exercise, meditation, or talking to someone you trust. Remember, your heart is a vital part of your overall health, and being aware of these signs can empower you to take action. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on health and wellness. Take care of your heart, and we'll see you next time.